Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate this design inspired by the album cover of Chen's Dear My Dear album. Start off by painting your thumb a navy blue and all of your other nails a medium blue. Section off the bottom third of all of your nails except for your thumbnail using a beige polish. Try to make the line match up across all of the nails. Next, you'll want to do basically the same thing again, but this time you're going to be making a white line just a little bit above the beige one. Keep using white to make the top of the skyline on each nail, again making sure that they line up across all of the nails. Fill in the skyline with white and fill in the bottom part of the nail with beige. So for the rest of this design, it's kind of more of a speed paint than a tutorial. I just kind of used a bunch of yellow, orange, brown, purple, green, and blue polishes to recreate the album cover as closely as possible. Since the album cover has more of a painterly look, you don't have to worry about being too precise. Just have fun with it. So as usual, I'll list all of the polishes that I used in the video description, but unless you have a pretty large stash of nail polish, I think it might be better to just use acrylic paint for this one. I used almost 30 polishes and I was still mixing custom shades because I didn't have just the right orange or that exact shade of off yellow. I made the decision not to top coat this design to keep the texture of the polishes and make it look more like acrylic on canvas, but if you want it to last longer, then seal your design in with a top coat. For the design on the thumbnail, first apply liquid latex around the nail and then make a gradient on a makeup sponge with navy blue and the medium blue that you used for the other nails. Dab it onto the nail and repeat until you're happy with the opacity. Add a few details with the medium blue. Use a sheer white polish to make a couple of wispy clouds. You can thin out the sheer polish even further with a brush dipped in a little bit of acetone. Add some highlights with an opaque white. Add a white circle for the moon and add some details with a periwinkle polish. Apply a bit of sheer white over top to make it look like the moon is behind the clouds. Add some white dots for stars. Finally, use a white paint or polish to write Chen underneath the moon. So my camera kind of stopped filming here without me noticing. I still wanted to show you guys how to paint the lettering, but I didn't want to have to redo the whole nail again, so I just quickly painted over it and rewrote the letters on top. Seal it in with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!